Hey everybody, this is Riff. How you doing out there? Hope everybody's doing great. I just wanted to do a quick little update. As you can see, I'm in the middle of building the Konghead, and that's going along real well so far. And I just wanted to do a quick update and show you guys that I had received some more stickers. I wanted to give a quick shout out to my buddy Al over at Spare Time RC for sending these awesome stickers. He's going up on the wall. And of course my buddy Jeremy at Hey Dad RC. He sent me some really cool stickers as well. And those are going to be going up on the wall. So I'm going to get those up there and be right back. Hey everybody, welcome back. Just wanted to show you guys that I got those new stickers on the wall, and welcome to the wall, you guys. Hope everybody's enjoying this, and if any of you out there have stickers that you'd like to swap with me and have me put you up on my little sticker wall here, just hit me up at my email. I'd be glad to do that for you. Take care everybody, and stay tuned. There's going to be a lot more to come. As you can see, this project with the Konghead's going well, and we'll have that coming along real good real soon here, and getting more uploaded on it. So take care, and Riff out. Hey everybody, I just wanted to say thank you again to my buddy Al over there at Spare Time RC, and my buddy Jeremy over there at Hey Dad RC. And I wanted to encourage you all to go check out their sites, because they have great content and great stuff on there. And thanks for watching everybody, and like I said, if any of you want to swap stickers or anything like that, just hit up my email. And take care. There's going to be more to come soon. Thanks. Riff out.